M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
They don't call Curtis, you know, play song. This Lagos, I know you get respect for us. Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Wizkid don't declare for president. War don't in Nigeria. Yes. My guy live an eye service, live an eye service. Pastor K, good evening. How you doing? How's the prayer life? I know the pastor, they like stress person. And they tell me advice, I say you go in places, they don't give you transport. They will stress them back, nobody understand. They fear person normally. And I know that Nigeria they like infection. Nobody they listen and get them. APC they blame PDP, PDP they blame APC. Bros, you know say if you don't get infection before, you don't take doctors and you get them. You go take doctors and get to do one of your friend. And doctors are never sensitive, they can't tell you if it's you, take these drugs. If it's your friend, give him these drugs. You as a sharp Igbo guy, you can't tell the doctor, say which way they work fast. That my friend example me. How you doing, bro? Well, this show is sweet. Please, ladies and gentlemen, despite your busy schedule, you guys came out to celebrate with my friend and brother. Please, can you just join me here together for yourself, please? Because I say, it's not easy. This is the first time my friend and brother is hosting an event. Pastor K, they told us, go and marry. Uncle Gila, the advisor, go and marry, I'm making money. Now, so they rush Nigeria, go get dependent. Now, all of us, they depend on God. Oh. And see this, today, our Mother's Day. Now the third Mother's Day for this year, this third one. For Port Harcourt from come, we do like 5 for the drag girl. Men they drag women with us. Women they drag women with us. Chihuahua, dog. Hey, my brother. Before all the single guys, before you marry, try noting the guy they do. One of my aunts we married last week. We asked her, say, what is the husband doing for a living? He said, a newspaper vendor. Now she's being punched daily. I do job for most of people. The rest, how do we go into Alpha? Oh, but if student in there, Shakara, how you doing? I know I never marry in the same group, man. My guy, marriage not easy, Uncle Jilas. You know, easy. Leave all these guys to say, in my village, bride price is not expensive, it's just 100 and I lie. The 100 and you just print the list, though. See, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say this. This time, not my time normally. One or two, they get respect for person. I don't try. I don't be upcoming. I don't try, boss, I don't try. To say I'm caught, I don't be capon. Over this country is sweet though. They're gonna tell you say nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody tomorrow is Monday. No alarm motivational speaker deceive you. So the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the step. Now lie begins with the transport. See, man tell you, then they have feminists, Abi. I be meaning this. I stand for the man. It's not easy to be man. All this why they complain say my uncle is very stingy. No, I don't be uncle. No, I don't say my uncle no stingy. My uncle they try. Pastor K, you know. Pastor K, he told us that women arrow miss romance. Why arrow miss respect for men? Abi? Pastor K is not easy. If you have my father, they do marriage counseling, how you take one? It's not easy. Pastor K, as a man, if you get now, you be landlord for your house. Your wife automatically a landlady. But when your wife buy land, you be landlady husband. It's not easy to be a man. Pastor, I don't do vulgar joke. I'm a Christian. I don't call a shower. I call them harlot. It's biblical. Pastor, one guy met me and said, advice, I'm a gay. I said, what do you mean by a gay? I don't do gay. I don't do men. He said, Bible say iron sharpeneth iron. You wait up, they say, wow, it's free ticket, man. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy yourself anywhere you find yourself. Enjoy. See all these guys where they are Lagos the phone. My name is Angie Ashe. Igbo guests. Their real name is Injireka. You can't cry for Angie. One. No, sir, when you fix eye contact. You know if you cry, she know. One don't fix eye contact, they come and say, Angie, just lost your dad. She won't cry. They say, hey, whoa. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Chai. I love my mom so much. I'm proud of all the women, all the single ladies, all the married ladies. Please appreciate yourself. It's not easy. I love my mom so much. Pastor K, I came all the way from Gateway. Pastor George, that's my father-in-law. You know what's up? How you doing, bro? Oh, when Pastor came with the wife, come on, pastors get scope. Pastors get scope. They will tell you this Sunday we'll talk about love in family. As you just call, love in family. They'll come tell you, don't try it. Later get the seed in the marketing. These men of God, then they get wisdom. They'll tell you, in your marriage, you don't need a third party. Even them, a third party. And I didn't advise you now. Then get wisdom. I love men of God though. Hey, you know what that thing they trend? Now what in my mind how they like do? Hey, you happen for Port Harcourt now. One guy don't go promise pastor 4 billion there. You get that. My pastor come and say, okay, when are you paying my son? No, say you don't promise pastor, but I'm going to call it my son. When are you paying? Now people look pastor, daddy, now waiting in my mind how they do now. Things so I know again how they promise God. I just lost my grandmom. I the verse of Catholic Church. Ask me why. I the verse. My grandmother died. The same one who come bury my grandmother. If you see B, to bury so you don't die. Because in my grandmother, they owe one card that they call AMC card. And for Catholic Church, they make us believe that thing like their tithe card. And they tell us that God will they pay tithe give. Abi? Now my grandmother don't die, they go meet God. You don't like God taking money. You only give us B. You understand the joke? Daniel knows. No, you get some joke in your guys. Whether they understand about all. No, you know. Prince, you are not starting with bonus. See, I love my mom so much. I love my mom. My mom removed poverty from my family. Ask me how. Yeah, like how do you communicate to? And I figure money pass my get poverty pass. No, they stress anybody. See, make nobody stress me for you. Because this, this thing no be come and fly. Because this. Pastor K, they but not Jesus. No, they hide your face. I know say you did the show. I'm not stressing you, bro. I love my mom so much. 2 years ago, during the COVID, I just came back from UK then. My mom, United Nations came to Port Harcourt to do women empowerment to help widows. Honestly speaking, they came, ask Davido, they came to help women. The duration of the year you lost your husband, that's the money they'll give to you. So they met the first lady and said, welcome, man. When did you lost your husband? She told them, I lost my husband 2 years ago. They gave her 2 million naira. The second lady came out and said, welcome, man. When did you lose your husband? She said, I lost my husband 3 years ago. They gave her 3 million naira. The third lady came out and said, when did you lose your husband? She said, I lost my husband 5 years ago. They gave her 5 million naira. My dad is alive. My mom is not a widow. I saw my mom on the queue and they were like, young woman, when did you lose your husband? She said, 10 years ago. They were about giving my mom the 10 million naira when the other woman started complaining. This young lady, her husband is still alive. And even her son is a comedian. Now the mistake what Igbo will make, to carry my mother, go meet my father, Igbo man, all over. If I explain to you, we came all the way from United Nations to help widows. We met the first lady, she told us she lost her husband 2 years ago, we give her 2 million naira. The second lady told us she lost her husband 3 years ago, we give her 3 million naira. The third lady told us she lost her husband 5 years ago, we give her 5 million naira. We are about to give this young lady her 7 million because she told us she lost her husband 7 years ago. When this other woman started complaining that her husband is alive, sir, is it true? Now my father turned, look Oyibo, look my mother. This woman is a bloody liar. She lost her husband 30 years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, my news advisor.
M.O.P. Next of Kin.